Now find the indicated terms in the given sequence whose nth terms are. Now indicated terms means here it is given, we have to find 13th term for 17th term, then 8th term. Okay. So now given sequence an is equal to 4n minus 3. Now we have to find A13 first. Okay. So now A13 is equal to 4 times 13 minus 3. This is equal to 52 minus 3 is 49. Now to find A17. Now A17 is equal to 4 times 17 minus 3. Now 17 times 4 is 68 minus 3 is 65. So the indicated terms are 49 and 65 for the first part. Now for the second part, here we have given, no, or you can write it given sequence nth term. Okay. So we are having an is equal to n square upon 2 raised to power n. Now to find A8 means n8, we have to find n8. Now 8 square upon 2 raised to power 8. To this what we can write it, 2 cube square upon 2 raised to power 8. Now this becomes 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 8. We can write it 2 square. Bases are equal, powers are added here. So now this becomes 1 upon 2 raised to power 2. This is 1 upon 4 answer.